What's up guys, welcome to another episode of What I Learned Today with Android. Debugging UI can be tricky sometimes because of the complex view hierarchy of our layouts. For making UI debugging easier, Android has provided a layout inspector starting from Studio version 4.0 onwards. The layout inspector provides complete real-time insights into your app's UI while it's deployed to a device or an emulator. Let's see how. First, you need to run your app. Once your app is running, click on the Layout Inspector at the bottom of Android Studio. Then you need to select your device and the current process of your app. It might take some time for the Layout Inspector to load. Just wait for a while. Just scroll around to find your device. So in this case, if I scroll down, I can see my device here. So let's try to adjust the window first by dragging. On the left side, you can see the component tree which show your view hierarchy. You can see all your layouts here. You can highlight the view by clicking on it. For example, if I want to highlight navigation view, I will simply click on it and you can see the layout highlighted here. Further, you have few more controls. If you click on this eye icon, you can show the borders and you can show the layout bounds of different views. You can isolate an individual view so that only a subset of that layout is shown in the component tree and rendered in the layout display. For example, if I want to isolate this navigation view and its child, I will simply right click on it and I will click on Show Only Subtree. This way, all other layouts are hidden and now only navigation view is visible. So I can only see its child and the navigation view. In a similar way, you can show up the parent of a layout. For example, if I right click on it and I do show only layout parents, it will only show the parent of this view. So in order to put it back, we can do show all and you can see all your views back. So this is quite handy when you are debugging the UI. With Layout Inspector, you can compare your layout with a reference image such as a UI mockup. You can load bitmap image overlay in the Layout Inspector. To load an overlay, click on the Load Overlay button. Then simply browse your image. This is my design image. You can see my UI mockup is loaded here. To adjust the transparency, you can drag this icon. This is my UI mockup. And this is the view I made. So I will adjust it in the mid so we can say if my UI matches with my UI mock. Now you can see we can compare both the layouts, my current layout with my UI mockup. To remove the overlay, just simply click on the clear overlay. And last but not least, you can see every layer of your layout like a 3D visualization. Simply you need to click on this icon for the live updates and you need to click on this window icon. Once you click on that, you can see every layer separately. You can click on any layout and see its layers separately. This is quite handy when some of your views are overlapping and you need to see every layer separately. I am currently running a Canary build 4.2. I hope in a stable versions these layers will look quite better than this. So that's all for this videos. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe because I'll be making a lot of videos on what I learned today with Android series. This is AJ signing off.